If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. With International Women's Day around, I thought of sharing a recipe that is very good for women's health. Whether you're working or a stay-at-home parent, women have a lot of responsibilities over their shoulders. And if the lady of the house is not keeping well, whole family suffers. And today let me share 2 different recipes with you which will keep all ladies fit and healthy.
Let's start the making of our first recipe. That is a very good hemoglobin or blood booster. It is full of taste, fiber, antioxidants and good fats. And the ingredients are khajur or chuhara or dates, almonds or badam, clarified butter or desi ghee. See, we have 2 types of dates available in market, the dry ones or the chuhara and the wet ones that are khajur. So I am using khajur because I got these. Soak almonds and dates overnight in sufficient water. In the morning, see, they are well soaked in water. Now drain these and make a paste of dates and almonds using very little water if needed. And here, heat clarified butter in a pan, and it's important that you use clarified butter or desi ghee here. Any other oil I would not recommend because the taste and health benefits are more if you use desi ghee. And on medium or medium low heat, keep on stirring and cook this paste until it becomes dry. And do not leave it unattended. After few minutes, it looks dry like a halwa, like this. So just 1 or 2 minutes more of cooking until it leaves the edges. Now this paste is ready in about 8 to 10 minutes of low or medium cooking. You can store them in a container in fridge and it stays well for about 2 months. So how to consume it? Take 1 tablespoon or small lemon sized ball of this date and almond paste and put it in hot milk. Mix well like this. Even if you have smaller pieces, it's fine because you can anyway chew them. And it's ready. Enjoy it warm every day. Now the second recipe is in powder form, which is very good for memory and eyesight. Now the ingredients are fennel seeds or sauf, almonds or badam, white pepper or safed mirch or dakshini mirch, powdered sugar or bura if you can get. Now let us start. So here are almonds, fennel seeds, white pepper. I am going to make a powder of all 3 of these. You may make a fine powder or little coarse. I also add in powdered sugar or bura. Bura is the main ingredient. If you can't get, use regular sugar. Now this powder is ready. Store it in airtight glass container. Just keep it on your shelf and it is good to go. And how to consume this powder so that it helps you and you get maximum benefit out of it. 1 teaspoon of this fennel almond powder. To it, add half teaspoon of clarified butter or desi ghee. Do not use any other oil here. If you do not want clarified butter or you do not have it, you can just consume the powder alone, but not any other oil. So mix it nicely and this powder is ready for consumption. Just swallow this or chew it and sip some hot milk along with it. Use it every morning.
This powder can be used by other members of the family too. If you are making it for kids, you may add a little more sugar or reduce the quantity of pepper here.
Make both of these recipes today and stay fit and healthy throughout the year. Use milk for increased health effects.